What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Are you guys okay? How's everybody doing during this whole quarantine thing, y'all? How is everyone doing? Because your girl is low-key struggling. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I'm struggling because normally I'm a homebody. Normally I'm like, okay, I'll stay home, cool, whatever. But the second I'm forced to stay there, I want to go. I want to go out. What we about to do? Where we going? Like, what's up? I want to go somewhere, y'all. I don't want to be here no more. I want to be sitting in the house all day long. This is whack. This is whack. And honestly, I've been bombing. I probably should be doing so much more than what I have been doing, but I haven't been. I still have homework and it all switched to online. I hate it. I hate it here. I hate it here, okay? Why are we here? I hate it here, okay? I hate it. I do. So, anywho, we pushing through. We doing what we gotta do, okay? So, y'all already know I haven't really been doing all the things that I should when it comes down to my hair. So we're gonna protect the style today. Y'all, I'm about to try these knotless braids one more good time. And if these knotless braids don't work out, we're gonna do the rubber band method and we're gonna do some real life box braids, okay? We're gonna do what we can do. So I washed my hair yesterday. There we go. Came out without missing hair, you know? Anyway, I washed my hair yesterday. It was all in braids like this. I took it out so I can look a little presentable to go to the store today. Cause yeah, I've been just looking like a bum. I think I'm gonna part first and then put them in like small twists all over. Like I really don't know, but I need it to be like kind of out of the way and like kind of already parted so that, you know, I just go through, do my thing. Y'all, I'm already slow when it comes to doing my hair, so I already know this is gonna take about 3, 4, 5, 18, 19, 20 days, you know, 40 days and 40 nights, it's whatever. So yeah, anywho, let me go ahead and do a little something. Let me get the hang of what I'm doing and then I'm gonna come back, because if not, we're gonna be here all day. Okay, so I pre-parted the back. I am sure my parts are jacked. I'm sure they are. But, I mean, they're going to look better when they get up here. But I'm not even going to worry about parting that quite yet. Because y'all know it's probably going to be next week before sis even get to this, you know. So, let me get this covered, you know. So I have finally made it to the last two. Y'all, knotless braids turned into box braids real quick, okay? Real quick. I don't know if I'm about that knotless braid life. It was hard, y'all. It was hard. So hopefully I get it soon. But I did not get it this time. So yeah. The braids are decent. Like, they okay for my first time. Like, I'm not mad. This is my first time doing this. So, you know, not upset. But this is what I am using. I am using the SIM double buttercream, as well as the Shine and Jam. So I'm using the double buttercream like more towards the ends, like right here. Yeah, girl, yeah, that's what all my color is. And my hair will get dry so quick, but I love the double buttercream because I feel like it moisturizes. So that's that. And then I use the Shine and Jam right here at the top. And kind of down the hair so it can be like kind of stuck together, because honestly I made my parts entirely too big. They're way too big. So, but I didn't notice that until way later, and I'm not changing it, I'm not fixing it. It was my first time, so I didn't want them to be really small. But next time, I'm gonna make them small as possible. Alright, y'all. So, I've been taking about this much hair. It's not a lot at all, and my parts are huge, so this is not the right amount of hair. But that's what I've been doing. Now I've been kind of stretching it a little bit more because I bought the 40-inch queen bee hair, and it's the shortest one, but I didn't want to have to be braiding for entirely too long. So yeah, I'll show you that hair though in just a second. But let me show you guys what I've been doing. So I just separate into two different pieces. It'll probably be easier once I get to this last one in the front, but I separate into two pieces, and placing one piece with the one half and another piece with the other half, and the third strand is just that, the third strand. So braid like normal, pretty much. If you can't help it, do not pull on your braids while braiding. Cause yeah, that makes it not as close to the scalp as it should be. So yeah, let's start over. Let's do this one more time, y'all. Let's do this one more time. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with you. We get us where my hair is starting to end. Just so it makes like a smooth transition and hair is not poking out all over the place. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. With what you're going through, I wanna be. Braid it as close to the end as you can, because that will help it to not unravel. All right, y'all, last one. This is something else I've been liking about doing my own hair. I am taking out my edges because, yeah, they're starting to grow back and I don't want to mess that up. So alright, to get as close to the root as possible, you should be good. So the ends are like low-key raggedy. So I'm gonna dip those and then I'll be back. I should make a move on. So that is it, and before anyone asks, this is my official haircut. No one has to drink out of this after I'm finished. In total, this probably, ooh, I didn't really realize it was that late. So in total, this took me about 7 hours because I started last night, but I only did like 2 or 3 rows. I think like 3 rows. And I finished today. So in total it was 7 hours, but I don't feel like it was that bad because I did it myself and it was my first time doing it. So yeah, I left my edges out because they're finally growing and I don't want to mess that up, you know. Don't want to mess that up. So yeah, it's not perfect, but it'll do for quarantine and chill, because that's how we doing. We can't go nowhere but the grocery store. Like, where we going, sis? Where we going, you know? Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notified every single time I post a video. So until next time, peace and hair grease.